The fears that I personally had to do with primarily being left out of the decision-making process. Sometimes realtors in the past have kind of taken over communication between us and the seller without really getting our input. So I was concerned about that a little bit. And then something being left out, like if we miss something in the process. If at times you can feel lost, not knowing what's going on, and that's probably my biggest fear. For this, so we've bought and sold a number of homes, and Chris helped us with the buy and sell of our most recent transaction. We've used realtors primarily that were referred to us by friends or family, and this time, actually, her mother-in-law used Chris and spoke really highly of him. We kind of saw how he worked, so we chose him for that reason. We saw his, that was it.
My mother.
Yeah.
His mother-in-law, my mother. But he always communicates. Where I have found in the past, 20 years, there's always that breach in communication. I'm a need-to-know person. I need to know what's going on, what's happening. I need to know. He always fills that gap for me.
He was very detailed. So I think that's the biggest thing is that I talked earlier about things that being left out or being lost in the process. He made sure we understood every step of the way what was happening and that sort of thing.
Through selling and buying, Maddie, team did it all. Pictures, everything. Yeah,
they really took the burden off of us. So they made us feel at ease and said, we're going to take care of this. Mm-hmm. And they made sure that everything was done appropriately.
And any questions, if something was of concern at the moment, at the time, a contract coming in for a bid on the house, if we had a question, it was addressed. Period, the end.
I think if you're looking for excellent communication, detail-oriented, knowledgeable, honest, and does not shy away from the difficult questions, Chris Elliott is the one to use. So,
I would also add that Maddie, and his team care. It's not just about money. It's not just about business. They actually care. They get to know you. They get to know who your family is, what you're about, and they care. And previously, I don't think we haven't experienced that, and that will make me continue on to do business with him for sure, no doubt.
Yep.